from Jamaica to the world. It's just love. It's just love.
One Corey.
So here we are at the Bastille Design Center in Paris. We're celebrating Jamfête, Jamaica, France, Paris, UK link up, hashtag 876 link up. We're Lee Carla Natural Skincare Products. We're here, as you can see, we're here and we're exhibiting our products at the Gran Market, Jamaican Gran Market. As you can see, we're here in Paris. As you can see, we have a lot of people in here. It's now we're celebrating Afro-culture, Afro-Caribbean culture. Over there you can see the Jamaican flag. And here we have Jamaica Tourist Board here with us as well. Visit Jamaica. And way over there on the stairs, we're gonna zoom in. You can see we have it's White House Beach, Westmoreland. White House Beach Club, Westmoreland. Yeah, they're selling. Its house is selling. We're promoting Brand Jamaica today. Brand Jamaica. Not only Brand Jamaica, but we have other cultures here. We have our Senegalese sister, we have our Guadeloupeans, we have Martiniques, we have, you know, it's like an Afro-Caribbean. As we said, we're celebrating Afro-culture. Yes, we're celebrating Afro-culture. Here we got our sisters, you know, maybe our sisters again, or our brothers over there. And over there we've got Miss Leighton from Nikala. And Leighton, you know, is here with a customer. We're just celebrating over here. We have Juliana, and Juliana is another authentic Jamaican brand. As you can see, we have a cookbook here, so like a little hamper. We have jerk barbecue. We have Juliana curry sauce, seasoning, guava jelly.
Let me tell you something, it's a big company right here now. Trust me, I have to buy the thing. Because you see the pineapple hot. I mean sweet and hot, lovely.
And you can also see they have here curry, spicy curry powder.
This is a business straight out of Jamaica. Family owned business.
Family owned business. We are promoting Brand Jamaica. Brand Jamaica. Brand Jamaica. Good. Over there another guy from Jamaica, another Jamaican brother. Another Jamaican brother here.
Jamaicans inspired.
Jamaicans inspired?
You know about Jamaicans inspired? Jamaicans inspired will give you discounts. You want to go to Jamaica, you want to hire a car, discount 50% with enterprise. You want to get a hotel, discount with Jamaicans inspired. Other things, we do social programs in the island. So if you want to be involved in social projects in Jamaica, from orphanages to young people to helping people with health, connect with us. We have events, functions in the UK around the diaspora markets. Jamaicans Inspired. www.jamaicans-inspired.com.
You hear that? Straight out of Jamaica, Brand Jamaica. Back to Juliana, authentic Jamaican seasoning. You can see their brands there. And I think they are also based in Canada. Yes, they're based in Canada. Good, good, good. Yes, over here, another brother from Guadeloupe, Danny Carapa. Yes, as you can see there, Danny Carapa. We're live. And over here we have another stall selling butters, you name it. Another sister here, another Senegalese sister here. And she's doing. And here's my sister from my Senegalese sister. As you can see, she's supporting Brand Jamaica, Gran Market Jamaica, Jamfête. Trust me, I want to get one of those turbans. I hope you left one for me, sis. I need one of them turbans. Okay. And there you go. If you need all the details to contact her, there you go. And she's on Instagram, Ibadula. There you go. Well done. And over here we've got patties, Caribbean street food. Yeah, you can see. There you go. Yeah. Again, again over here. Over here, this lady is doing some wonderful work. All of these artwork, the painting that you can see on the painting that you can see on the leather is actually done by women in Mali. Women in Mali. These are some of the initiatives that I would definitely like to support. So I would be getting in contact more with these people. All of these, the paintings that you can see, they are hand dyed. Nothing to do with machine, hand dyed. And they're all made with handmade. Yeah, they're all handmade. And as I said before, all the colors that you can see are done by hand. They're painted, hand dyed by the women in Mali. So we are promoting Africa, we're promoting the Caribbean, we are promoting the wider diaspora. So it's Afro-culture. But here again we have Brand Jamaica, another Brand Jamaica, celebrating Brand Jamaica Island Spice. Tennessee Island Spice. We got jerk seasoning. We have fish spice. Trust me, if you put that spice, that fish seasoning upon your fish, it gone a yard. Oxtail seasoning. The one that I really love, them not have it. I'm tell you, before you get that one day, your fish look bang.
You can go out and come back, you don't have to worry about
pimento seed.
Even in German, the same thing.
See, pimento seed. I can remember back in the Caribbean when we used to go bush on the farm. And what do we used to do on the farm? We used to rub the pimento, you know? That was really good. Promoting Brand Jamaica.
It's a normal thing.
Promoting Brand Jamaica.
They stop me one.
Shot Jamaica. Brand Jamaica. Promoting Brand Jamaica. Alright, gentlemen, let's go.
Go on, man.
Monday go late.
Go on there. Let me watch your star. Go on.
No, I'm in the ambience on the side. I'm the flight. I'm hopeless.
From Jamaica to the world.